Shit.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please, before you continue watching this video, please like this video. Thank you so much. At exactly 4:10 p.m. this evening, Angel and Pere began the games of screws and toys. Now, one thing I observed about these two people, Angel and Pere, is the accuracy and the speed with which they began to execute this task given to them by Big Brother. Remember that one of these two people will be making their way back into the house if Big Brother confirms him or her as a winner. While they were unscrewing the toys, right, Pere at a particular point was leading because he had unscrewed quite a number of parts from his toys, and you could literally see those parts on his table. But looking at Angel's table, it didn't feel like she started unscrewing anything. And then in a moment, we saw Angel with maximum speed unscrewing all the parts of the toys, and literally she had taken the first part off, she had taken the second part off, and she was already unscrewing the little trucks that were on the bigger truck. And I was looking at Pere at the other hand, right? And I was looking at the fact that Pere was looking at Angel and was looking at how she had unscrewed her parts while he was still struggling with his own parts. And then the lights went off and we saw both of them looking at their tables. And of course, Pere was asking that, oh, you broke something, right? She was like, yes, she broke something. Angel was like, she also broke something, right? He was like, yes, he broke something. But Pere had not finished unscrewing one particular small truck from the panel. And the Big Brother started having a conversation with Pere and Angel and asked them first, did you break anything? They both said yes, that they broke something, right? And Big Brother asked him, have you finished, right? Pere was like, no, he has something left, he wants to screw. Angel was like, there's something very little she also needs to fix in her own part. And Big Brother was like, you know what? I'm going to be lenient with both of you. And when the light comes on, quickly finish the game. And then the lights came up, and in a split second, Angel finished the game first. And then Big Brother started the conversation with them, saying, okay, you know what? I am going to review your performances and I will get back to you with the results. And when Big Brother comes back with the results, we will know who stays, makes it back into the mansion, and who goes home. So I see a lot of comments, I see a lot of brouhaha on social media talking about the fact that, Pere had, a larger percentage and all of that. And it's very obvious, right? Listen, I personally do not have an opinion about this because I also understand that Big Brother reserves the right to change the rule at any time. If you're an ardent follower of the Big Brother Naija show, right, you will understand that it is Big Brother's game. He decides whatever he wants to do. I know that quite a lot of us are pained. I know that quite a lot of us, are reacting. I know that quite a lot of us, voted having to, upgrade our bouquet to premium, to compact plus, and all of that. But guess what? Big Brother decides the twists and the turns he decides to bring to the table. I'll be here to bring you the final verdict of Big Brother as soon as he decides. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please go to the comment section and let me know what you think. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, let's hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Pere and Angel. And until next time I come your way again tonight, it's bye for now.